destroyed. Use your tactics. You have reinforcements inbound.
Got a filled up engine. In my thoughts upset. No, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'm paid, but I feel like I'm making tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. My payment. No negotiations. It's my way. I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this.
Call me a enemy destroyed. Use your tac map. Call me a
You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool, not a shit like an elephant.
Enemy destroyed.
Go ahead and
use your
tap
tac
me,
map.
put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always steady. I got look me in the eye and you'll see no
prices have been reduced.
About to get real messy, I'll put you in a
Bounty
great
targets are
like
up.
candy.
Get after them. All bounty. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map. Call me a enemy destroyed. Use your call me a closing in. Get to the new safe zone.
I'm about to go off. Got a filled up engine. In my thoughts obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. Call me
Get ready. Resurgence window is about to close.
I don't know how to stop.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe.
Whether it's working or shot, give it all that I got. Watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. Wanna cross me, cool. I don't get shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. Look me in the eye and you see no hesitation. About to get real messy, I'll put you in a grade 6 feet like Kenny.